Hello, this is Nan Khan from Narangunj. Actually, I was suffering from hair fall from my earlier age. Then one of my friends suggested me to go to New Route, and then I came here and I had a great chat with the doctors, and they were very friendly. Then after that, I decided to do transplant. Within 2 or 3 months, I got a fantastic result, and I was really overwhelmed with my result. And now it's about 7 months running. And I'm really happy, and it's like a dream come true thanks to New Route.